So I'm heading the technology and standardization team for Schneider Electric, whose mission is to define and promote the standards for all our design globally, so raw material and electronics. And I'm very pleased today to be with you to tell you how we translate our vision on sustainability into our action plan. And I will give after the floor to Leo, who is our raw material engineer, to define this strategy. So first, a few words about Schneider Electric is that we are in a world that is becoming more digital and more electric as a trend. More digital because we need more and more data. AI and data is the art of everything. And because we need more and more electricity to decarbonate all our processes, transportation. So this is our mission, and we want to be an actor of the energy transition. In doing that, it's about sustainability and efficiency to contribute to all the different activities and geographies. So this is in a nutshell what Schneider mission is about. To do that, pragmatically, we took some commitment to our stakeholders, so shareholders, employees, customers, about what does it mean to be sustainable. And we have an action plan, which is a company program, a 3 years company program, which is segmented in different actions. So 11 of them are on the screen, which is our sustainability barometer. And I will quote 4 of them for today, which is one about reducing the footprint of our vendors, because we will not succeed this journey without our vendors, and we have engaged 1,000 of our suppliers in reducing by 50% their CO2 emission. The plastic vendors are part of this journey. It's also to have the commitment by next year to have 50% of the raw material green, and Leo will explain you what is a green plastic. Third is about removing all the single-use plastic. So the best green plastic is the one that you don't use, as you said. So and we are removing also the single-use plastic. And the third one is about also being part of the decent work, so meaning giving a nice place to live to our children somewhere. The strategy and the principle about green material is one. Basics is to comply with the regulation, and it's to mitigate the risk. So this can be a must-have for everybody to be compliant and to be inside the business. So it's about human rights, and it's about material compliance, REACH, RoHS, etc. Then the second level that we have gone through is to generate value. So going beyond the regulations and to make that as a competitive advantage in front of our competitors. And this is also the purpose of this vision. And ultimately, if we go to the, yes, is to lead this change in an end-to-end view, scope 1, 2, 3. So from our vendors to our customer, and to create a full supply chain towards carbon neutral. So this is the path of what is our sustainability principles. Now the vision is translated by our sourcing strategy. So with our vendors, to collaborate with suppliers to contribute to a more inclusive and carbon neutral world. And to get access people to a decent economy and decent lives. And we have breakdown, and I will go through directly. So this is globally all our plan. And basically what we will talk about today is this second part, which is about green material. So what we call our SSI4 as a metric, which is communicated externally to our shareholders. And basically, what does it mean, a green material? It means it's not only about being carbon neutral. So being carbon neutral is to act on the climate. So it's one part of it. But it's also about having a better use of our resources, circular economy. And it's also having an impact on people. So we will talk about, for example, working on flame retardant that are better for the health of the people. So being green is to answer to all or one of these contribution. So the scope of work start with thermoplastic, steel also, and aluminium. So this has been the three first target that we had. Thermoplastic more on the content. For steel and aluminium, it's more on the process. So using green energy to manufacture the material. And when we look at where do we stand at the end of 2023, we were looking at green material at 29% contribution in our offers. Metal is ahead. So when we look at the metal industry, using green electricity for steel, for aluminium, is contributing quite a lot. For plastic, the challenge is quite high, as we are today only at 6%. Not today, but at the end of last year. So we are accelerating a lot. Technical solutions are more and more available, even for industrial plastic, and Leo will explain you how. Cost competitiveness is one of the challenges today to make it profitable and to make it, let's say, viable in the long run. So it is time now for me to give the floor to Leo to explain you how this vision is translated into reality.
Thank you, Francois, and thank you, everyone.